Let us start 23rd C. Solve the following equations for A. First is easy. 2 sin A is equal to 1. So that you can write directly. Now method you have to learn. You have to use the table of sin, cos, tan, for standard angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. And then you have to find the value of A, angle A. So 2 cos 2A is 1. My angle is 2A, remember. You can write the angle in the bracket, no problem. 2 cos, yes. So cos 2A, you can write the angle in the bracket. Cos 2A is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 2A is 1 by 2. But cos of which angle is 1 by 2? Yes. Cos of which angle is 1 by 2? Cos 60, are you getting? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 2A is 1 by 2, but cos 60 is 1 by 2. So you will get cos 2A. No. Why you multiply by 2? Yes. Cos 2A, see, cos 2A, this 2A is in the angle. 2 is in the angle. I cannot take this 2 outside, remember. 2 is in the angle. I cannot take 2 outside and then multiply that in the denominator. No. This 2A will remain in the angle only. Cos 2A is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos 2A is equal to cos 60 degree. And that give you 2A is equal to 6. No, my dear. It is 2 into cos 2A, no. So cos 2A is equal to 1. I will take 2 in the denominator, 1 by 2. Then cos 2A is equal to 1 by 2. 2A is in the angle, that I have remained there only, no. I have not taken this 2 outside. This 2 I am taking in the denominator. The number which is multiplied, that only I can take on the other side. So 2A is equal to 60 degree. So A is equal to 60 degree upon 2. So A is equal to 30 degree. The answer is A is equal to 30 degree. A is equal to 30 degree. Now third, directly you will get third you can directly get sin 3A is root 3 by 2. So sin of which angle is root 3 by 2? 60 degree. Sin एक मिनट sin 3A right. Sin 3A, second, third, No. The value of A you have to find. A is the angle A you have to find. It is not given. The value of A you have to find. Now second, third homework, 4. Sec 2A is equal to 2. Now this 2A is my angle. So you will get sec 2A. Angle we write in the bracket. But what is sec? Reciprocal of cos. So 1 upon sec 2A same as 1 upon cos 2A is equal to 2. Are you getting? Sec 2A same as 1 upon cos 2A. Yes. No, wait for me. Sec 2A we write 1 upon cos 2A. We go step by step, we'll see. Then, now I will cross multiply. So you will get 1 is equal to 2 cos 2A. Cross multiply. So now this is 2. 2 cos 2a. This 2 I will take in the denominator. Where? No, wait, no, step by step we are going, no. 1 is equal to 2 cos 2a. So 1 upon 2 is cos 2a. So cos 2a is half. Cos 2a is half. But cos of which angle is half? Tell me. Cos 2a is half. Are you getting? But cos 60 degree. Now this has become to previous problem. But cos 60 degree is half. But cos 60 degree is half. So you will get angle 2a. Angle 2a is equal to 60 degree. So you will get a is equal to 30 degree. What you can? Yes, right. Two sec 60 degree. How you can take 2 sec 60 degree? Yes. Right hand side only I am talking. This 1 upon sec you have to write in terms of cos, then you have to cross multiply. Don't directly sec 2. See here. Yes. See, but if you are thorough with the table of sine cos tan, then sec cosec cot. If you know the table of sec, then you can directly write this as 2a is equal to 60 degree. Yes. No, how? We are not taking reciprocal. We are just taking this 2 in the denominator. Previous day we are cross multiplying. So this cos 2a goes up, and then we are taking this 2 in the denominator. Wait. No need to show the calculation. Now, all are that only. Now let us do eighth one if known. Let us do eighth one. Cot. So you remember the table for sine cos tan, and for cosec you take the reciprocal of sine. For sec you take the reciprocal of cos, and for cot you take the reciprocal of tan. That you remember. So you don't have to remember the table of sec, cosec and cot. Now fourth one, root 3 into cot 2a is 1. Fourth. Eighth one, root 3 into cot 2a. Root 3 into cot 2a is equal to 1. Solve this. You will get cot 2a is equal to 1 upon root 3. But what is cot? Cot is reciprocal of tan. So 1 upon tan 2a. 2a I can write in the angle. 1 upon tan 2a is equal to 1 by root 3. Now cross multiply. So you will get root 3 is equal to tan 2a into 1 tan 2a. So you will get tan 2a is equal to root 3. But tan of which angle is root 3? See the table, 60 degree. Are you getting? But tan 60 degree is root 3. Tan 60 degree is root 3. So you will get tan 2a is equal to tan 60 degree. So that will give you 2a is equal to 60 degree and a is equal to 30 degree. A is equal to 30 degree. So in this 23rd C, In all the problem you have to find the value of the angle. All the problem you have to find. That we'll see. Now second, calculate the value of A. Calculate the value of A. Again you have to find yes. Yes. You can directly put the value. Now what we can do? The problem which they are given, answer is coming 30. So now second I will do only one. Okay, you will get half mark, no problem. Calculate the value of A. Second, yes. Now you suggest me which one I should do. No, all are same. All are same. Let me do fifth one. Yes, second, fifth one. Calculate the value of where? Yes. So, but whichever we did, answers are that only 30 degree, no? Which question? No, we did not do first. We did second. 2 cos 2a is 1. Are you getting? 2 cos 2a is 1. That we did. Right? Now fifth one, second, fifth. Cosec 2a. Now in this, if you want, let me do two. Let me do two problems. Let me do first also. Sin a minus 1. Sin a minus 1 into 2 cos a minus 1. 2 cos a minus 1. 2 cos a minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of a. So now this is multiplication of c. This logic you have to remember. Always you remember this logic. Whenever we have a dot b 0, that implies yes, either a is 0. Are you getting? Either a is 0 or b is 0. This logic we apply everywhere. Multiplication of two numbers is 0. That means either a is 0 or b is 0. Either a is 0 or b is 0. Either a is 0 or b is 0. So the same logic we apply. Sin a minus 1 into 2 cos a minus 1 is 0. That will give you sin a minus 1 is 0. Are you getting? Sin a minus 1 is 0 or 2 cos a minus 1 is 0. A into b is 0. That give you either a is 0 or b is 0. So that will give you sin a minus 1 is 0. That will give you sin a is equal to 0 plus 1 1 or 2 cos a is equal to 0 plus 1 1. We take 1 on the other side. So that will give you sin a is equal to 1 or cos a is equal to 1 by 2. I am taking 2 in the denominator. 2 cos a is 1, so cos a is half. Sin, both can be 0, yes. So sin a is 1, but sin of which angle is 1? Yet sin 90 is 1. Are you getting? Sin 90 is 1. So that will give you a is equal to 90 degree. Sin a is 1, but sin 90 is 1. So that will give you a is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, cos a is equal to half. Cos a is equal to half. But cos of which angle is half? Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is half. So that gives you A is equal to 60 degree. So A has two values. So finally you will write the answer A is 90 degree, comma 60 degree. Yes, both the values. A is 90 degree and A is 60 degree. A is 90 degree and A is 60 degree. We take both the values because there is no condition given. Now normally we write A dot B is 0, that implies either A is 0 or B is 0. Both are 0, it is trivial part. Now let me do fifth one. Cosec 2A minus 2. Cosec 2A minus 2. So wherever you have cosec, you write that in terms of sine. Wherever you have sec, you write down that in terms of cos, and wherever you have cot, you write down that in terms of tan. And simplify, you will get the answer. Now, fifth one, cosec 2A minus 2. Fifth one, cosec 2A, cosec 2A minus 2 into cot 3A. 3A is the angle. 3A minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 0. So multiplication of these two is 0, that it will give you cosec 2A. We write 2A in the angle. Cosec 2A minus 2 is equal to 0. Or cot 3A, we write angle in the bracket. 3A minus 1 is equal to 0. So that will give you cosec 2A. Cosec 2A is equal to 0 plus 2, 2, or cot 3A is equal to 0 plus 1, 1. So cosec is reciprocal of sine. So cosec 2A is 1 upon sine 2A. 1 upon sine 2A is equal to 2, or cot is reciprocal of tan. So 1 upon tan, cot 3A same as 1 upon tan 3A is equal to 1. Now we cross multiply. Sine 2A will go up. So 1 is equal to 2 sine 2A, or 1 is equal to tan 3A. 1 is equal to tan 3A. So that will give you 1 upon 2. So that will give you sine 2A is equal to 1 divided by 2. Sine 2A is half, or tan 3A is equal to 1. Tan 3A is equal to 1. Is it clear? So sine of which angle is half? Yes? Sine 2A is equal to half, but yes, ask. But sine, directly you write. But sine 30 degree is half, so that will give you 2A is equal to 30 degree. 2A is equal to 30 degree, and that will give you A is equal to 15 degree. Now similarly you solve tan. Yes. Now we'll see. No. Similarly you solve tan 3A is equal to 1. Similarly solve tan 3A is equal to 1, and see what it comes. Tan 3A is equal to 1. Yes, but tan of which angle is 145 degree? So you will get 3A is equal to 45 degree. Yes. So 3A is equal to 45 degree, and that will give you A is equal to 15 degree. So finally A is 15 in both the case. A is 15 in both the case. Now we write similarly tan 3a is equal to 1, but tan 45 degree is 1, so that will give you 3a is equal to 45 degree, so a is equal to 15 degree. 45 degree divided by 3 is 15 degree. So finally my answer is a is equal to 15 degree. A is equal to 15 degree. A is equal to 15 degree. Is clear? Now third and fourth, they are same. Third and fourth, they are same. Let me do fourth one. So third will be homework. Fourth, let me do fourth. Third and fourth, they are same. If 4 cos square x degree, if 4 cos square x degree, my angle is x degree. If 4 cos square x degree minus 1 is equal to 0, and x degree lie between 0 and 90 degree, and x degree lies between 0 and 90 degree, x degree lie between 0 and 90 degree, find x degree, first x degree, second sin square x degree plus cos square x degree, my angle is x degree, and third is 1 upon cos square x degree, third 1 upon cos square x degree minus tan square x degree, 1 upon cos square x degree minus tan square x degree. Now let us find each one of them. 4 cos square x degree minus 1 is 0. 4 cos square x degree minus 1 is 0. 4 cos square x degree yes, we simplify that equation. 4 cos square x degree 4 cos square x degree is equal to 1. See, in 7th standard you have studied quadrant. 7th standard you have studied quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Yes or no? Say yes or no. Yes. So now let us solve this. So we are given 4 cos square x degree, 4 cos square x degree is angle, minus 1 is equal to 0. We take 1 on the other side, you will get 4 cos square x degree is equal to 1. So cos square x degree is equal to 1 by 4. 1 minute. Cos square x degree is same as cos x degree square. This you remember. Cos square. This is square of whole cos x. This is not square of angle. This you remember. Cos square x degree is same as cos x degree whole square is equal to 1 by 4. Now I will take square root. So taking square root, you will get cos x degree cos x degree is equal to square root of 1 by 4. So you will get cos x degree is equal to, what is square root of 1 by 4? Yes, not half, plus minus half, plus minus half. So cos x degree is plus minus half, because see, wait my dear, what is square root of 4 plus minus 2? So what is square root of 1 by 4 plus half or minus half? So that will give you cos x degree is half or cos x degree is minus half. Wait. 1 minute. But where is x degree? Tell me. Where is x degree? X degree lie between 0 and 90 degree, no? Now since x degree lie between 0 and 90 degree, this minus value is not possible. Cos x degree will not be minus half. Just remember. Cos x degree lie between 0 and 90 degree. 0 and 90 degree means the angle lies in the first quadrant. The angle lies in the first quadrant. The angle lies, see, the value of cos will be negative or positive, any one. But because of this condition, my angle lies between 0 and 90 degree, this negative we will not consider. See, yes, no, but you see, if this condition is not given, then I will take plus minus half. But this condition is given, 0 less than x degree less than 90 degree, and therefore cos x degree is equal to minus half is not possible. Is not possible. Yes, you take, so that will give you cos x degree. Cos x degree is equal to half. 1 minute. That will give you cos x degree is equal to half. Cos x degree is equal to half. Because see, why it is not possible? Because see there, if you see the quadrant, this is my 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes, see, this is my 90 degree. And this is my first quadrant. In 7th standard we have seen quadrant. In first quadrant, sine and cos both are positive. So my angle lies between these two, 0 degree and 90 degree. So first quadrant, sine is and cos, they are positive. That is why I have taken positive. So cos x degree is half, but cos of which angle is half? Yes. But cos 60 degree is half. So that will give you cos x degree is equal to cos 60 degree. So that will give you x is equal to 60 degree. So first part we have found, x is equal to 60 degree. Now find sine square x degree, second part. This is first. Sine square x degree plus cos square x degree. Sine square x degree plus cos square x degree. Find. Put the value of degree. Sine square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree. Sine square 60 degree is sine 60 degree square. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 square plus cos square 60 degree. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square. So 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 4 by 4. The answer is 1. The answer is 1. Now do the third part. 1 upon cos square x degree. You see, 1 upon cos square x degree minus tan square x degree. 1 upon cos square x degree minus tan square x degree. 1 upon cos square x degree minus tan square x degree. evaluate and tell me the answer. 1 upon cos square x degree third one 1 upon cos square x degree minus tan square x degree. Yes, cos square x degree minus tan square x degree. Okay, so 1 upon cos square, see here, cos square x degree is 60 degree minus tan square 60 degree. 1. Now what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square minus tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3 square. So 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 4 minus 3. 1 upon 4 is 4 minus 3, and the answer is 1. The answer is 1. Wait, we have time, no? Yes, 2 minutes. Now, similarly, it will be fifth, sixth. Similarly, it will be fifth, sixth. Yes. Bye. Yes. Yes. All of you write down your division and roll number in the chat box without fail. Bye. ये answer, this is answer of second and this is answer of third. 1 upon cos square x degree minus tan square x degree. That is the answer for. Yes, you're right, I'm there. Bye. Anybody is writing or finished?